Hi everyone, it's Brittany and I'm from Group 1 and these are my moderator response videos for week 7. Group 2, they thought that the concept of ecological validity helped us do better research because it was inclusive and collaborative. I agreed that the importance of doing ecological research is to understand how the action or our outcomes may affect the actors. They also mentioned that they are in need of we are in need of a systematic methodology. I think this is very important because there are endless possible outcomes. So I think that's very important to at least consider possible outcomes and effects because they can determine how to go forward and how to handle things and how to conduct better research if we understood which way to go, basically. I think it's, in a way, kind of like guidance. Group 3 said that the importance of the application of ecological circles is giving the researchers an opportunity to look at a situation holistically and the picture overall and the interconnectedness of each of those layers and the systems. And I think, of course, that's a very important concept. Group 4. The ladies in this group agreed that it's very important for ecological measurement in order to understand patterns. I love this idea because it leads to, every action we do usually leads to certain areas, or not areas, but I think that there is a randomness among human beings and living beings, but I also think that we do fall into the category of patterns also. So, for instance, like in the Shin article, and I made it very clear that I didn't really think it was all that great, but how they interviewed the families 5 years later. How about you conduct better measurement by following them around for those 5 years, because so much could happen in those 5 years. There are patterns as to why they stayed in poverty, or why they couldn't maintain jobs, or once there are different things that happen, and maybe if they were to follow the situation a little bit more thoroughly, they will understand all the factors that contributed to why poverty is an average of 5 years. So another thing that I've noticed about all of the groups this week is that we all mention holistically and the importance of looking at the smaller parts to see the bigger picture. So I think that's the ideal concept of like ecologically. Yeah, that's the whole point. So I enjoyed the reading. It gave me like a different perspective, and I really liked everyone's individual how this connects to everybody's individual thoughts, because they're all different. Like like none of them were exactly the same. And if we did have the same subject, the way of seeing them and viewing them, and and how the layers affect it were very different. So I really enjoy everybody's perspective. That's usually my favorite part, is seeing things through everyone else's eyes. So hope everybody had a great week, and I guess that's about it. Have a good Sunday. Bye.